Now coming to foreign exchange reserves. Foreign exchange reserves are the assets held on reserve by a central bank in foreign currencies, which can include bonds, treasury bills, and other government securities. It needs to be noted that most foreign exchange reserves are held in US dollars. India's Forex reserve include foreign currency assets, gold reserves, special drawing rights, reserve position with the International Monetary Fund. So the India's Forex reserve include foreign currency assets, gold reserves, special drawing rights, reserve position with the International Monetary Fund. Now the objectives of holding the Forex reserves. The objectives of holding Forex reserves are supporting and maintaining confidence in the policies for monetary and exchange rate management, provides the capacity to intervene in support of national or union currency. Holding Forex reserves limits the external vulnerability by maintaining foreign currency liquidity to absorb shocks during times of crisis or when access to borrowing is curtailed. Now coming to the significance of rising Forex reserves. There is a comfortable position. This is the comfortable position for the government. The rising Forex reserves give comfort to the government and the RBI in managing external and internal financial issues. Number two, managing crisis. This rising foreign reserves, it serves as a cushion in the event of balance of payment crisis on the economic front. Then rupee appreciation. The rising reserves have also helped the rupee to strengthen against the dollar. Then another significance of rising forex reserves is confidence in the market. Reserves will provide a level of confidence to markets and investors that a country can meet its external obligations. Now, what are foreign currency assets? Foreign currency assets or FCAs are assets that are valued based on a currency other than the country's own currency. So foreign currency assets are valued based on a currency other than the country's own currency. Foreign currency assets is the largest component of Forex reserve. It is expressed in dollar terms. Now foreign currency assets include the effect of appreciation or depreciation of non-US units like the euro, pound, yen held in the foreign exchange reserves. So the FCAs include the effect of appreciation or depreciation of non-US units like the euro, pound and yen held in the foreign exchange reserves. Now coming to the special drawing rights. This special drawing rights is an international reserve asset. Special drawing rights is an international reserve asset created by the IMF in 1969 to supplement its members countries' official reserves. So what is SDR? SDR is an international reserve asset created by the IMF in the year 1969 to supplement the member countries' official reserves. The special drawing rights is neither a currency nor a claim on the IMF. Rather, it is a potential claim on the freely usable currencies of the IMF members. Special drawing rights can be exchanged for these currencies. Now the value of SDR, that is special drawing rights, is calculated from a weighted basket of major currencies including the US dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, the Chinese yuan and the British pound. The interest rates on special drawing rights or SDRI, interest rates on special drawing rights or SDRI is the interest paid to the members on their SDR holdings. Now the reserve position in the International Monetary Fund. A reserve tranche position implies a portion of the required quota of currency of each member country must provide to the IMF that can be utilized for its own purposes. The reserve tranche is basically an emergency account that IMF members can access at any time without agreeing to conditions or paying a service fee.